Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can add slide transition and animation in PowerPoint. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my PowerPoint presentation. And first of all, I'm going to show you how we can add slide transition. If we want to add transition to our PowerPoint, we can go to the transitions menu and then you can choose the transition that you like. As you can see guys, that there are a lot of transitions we can use to make our PowerPoint more captivating. And I'm going to try this, for example, this airplane transition. Okay, this is how the airplane transition looks like. And then if you want to apply one transition to all your slides, you can click on apply to all right here, or you can choose other transition. I'm going to choose this one as well. Okay, this is so cool. And then for the third slide, I'm going to choose curtains. Whoa, it's so cool. Okay, and I'm going to choose this gallery. Okay, right, and that's all the way to add transitions. And the second one, I'm going to add animation to my PowerPoint. I'm going to add animation to the title. We can go to the animation, and same with transition. There are a lot of animation we can use. I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and for the subtitle, I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and then I'm going to show you guys the final result. Okay, like this. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add slide transition and animation in PowerPoint. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.